What's up, home slice? Lucas here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can learn to do a back walkover in only 5 minutes. But you gotta focus. The back walkover is a great prerequisite if you're trying to learn a back handspring, or it's just something good to have even if you can already jump into a back handspring, just so you can have that full spectrum. Before learning the back walkover, it's beneficial to have some good flexibility. Ideally, you want to be able to do a decent bridge. Now for the first minute, even if you're flexible, it's always a good idea to warm up, warm up and stretch out, and this is crucial for this move. So for this first minute, just starting right off the bat here, I want you to get down on your knees, and we're gonna go into a, whatever the heck this is, and then you go into whatever the heck this is, okay? And you're gonna be stretching out your lower back, your abs, and your shoulders. Just go back and forth for about 30 seconds here, feeling the stretch. So first things first, we're gonna work on falling back to our hands from a standing position. Now we're not just gonna jump right to it. What I want you to do is actually get on the ground in like a crab walk like position, okay? You're gonna choose a side that feels more dominant to you, okay? So put one hand down, use this arm, and you can use your upper body to push yourself up into this position. So I want you to kneel, squat, push yourself up. Fall back, push yourself up. Key points, make sure your fingers are pointed inwards. Also, make sure your arm is going up and over as well. So you can even squat down at first, arm down, back up. Now over the course of this next minute, what I want you to do is work on squatting less and less and bending more and more, okay? And instead of going over sideways, you want to start to go more center. Ways to cheat it, to get it quickly, to get it quicker. Just warning, this is just cheating. You can kind of bend your knees above your toes, kind of like a sissy squat. That's actually what it's called, a sissy squat. It's not good for your knees, but if you want to cheat and hack and get it fast, you kind of have to do that sometimes. So you can, like that. If anything hurts, don't do that. Just take your time and do it, but I'm gonna show you because I'm a cheater, like that. Now we just keep working towards that center until you go back. And then from there, if you can't push up like me, whatever, because you're not gonna push up eventually. When you're coming to the center, you don't wanna put your fingers out like this and bring your fingers in, because you might jam your fingers into the ground. What you wanna do is you actually want to turn your hands in like this and almost like scoop the ground. Now I'm going over to the side at first, then I'm working around, other hands up, getting more, then I'm turning my hands in. Oh, catch it, man, okay? If you're coming in too quick, you're worried you're gonna fall on your head, man, trusty pillows. And then basically you wanna stand away from it. That way if it does go south, and if you can't hold yourself up with your hands, you're not gonna just, your head, watch. Don't, see? Pillows, man, pillows are great. But if I did catch it, I'd catch it like that. What we're gonna work on doing now is we're gonna work on going over. Why do we have this little apparatus here? Because this is gonna help us get over without basically doing a complete arc at first. Let me show you how. Put our hand facing inwards, just like before, just like that, little bridge position with one hand over. Other hand like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna kick, thrust your hips up, kick your hand through, and just come around to the side like that. Okay, that's a simple makaku, but we're using this little apparatus here to help us cheat, get over a lot easier than off the ground. Then you just get up into the bridge position like this. You're gonna jump and kick, and you come all the way around, boom. Now, if you're afraid of falling on your head, double on up, people. Get them pillows over here. God, but look I got my pillows. So optional, you can totally substitute the wall for the bench or just use nothing at all, honestly. But, a wall or a bench does help. Final stage, we're gonna combine everything together, the backdrop and then the kick and the push and the walkover. Little secret hack is it helps to have your arms a little bit more widespread at first. Just watch your head, put down some pillows if it's your first time. All right, put down some pillows or a pad, or do this at a gymnastics center. Now I know this isn't the prettiest form, but it's a 5-minute tutorial, so chill out. It really helps to be more flexible. I'm not as flexible as I could be. The more flexible you are, the easier this is gonna be. Little hack, spread the arms out, spread the legs out when you're going into it the first time. I'm doing that. You know, you might get yelled at if you do that some places, but just for getting it quickly, for getting maybe your first one, it's an idea. But what I recommend mostly is training safely, taking this at your own pace, practicing at your own risk. Go to a gymnastics center. Another thing you can do is make a tower of pillows and basically walk over backwards with that, but that's a little flimsy. But even if you could do it over those, it's not the same as doing it on the ground because that basically just propels you right above and out. Yeah, this is basically how to do it with minimal equipment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this tutorial helps you all out. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.